Velocity has just finished building 4 7.5 cubic metre machines for our customer over in Bangladesh. It's the culmination of 2 years' work, working with the ministry over there to understand their needs, but also working with a local partner in Chittagong. We only manufacture the bodies. It's more cost effective for the local contractors, government to provide their own chassis. It's cheaper, they meet the specs and the legislation in that country. So these are going to be mounted onto an Aisha chassis when they arrive in Chittagong. So it's been designed to suit that chassis. They'll go into the container, they'll be taken out of the container in Chittagong and put onto the chassis. There is no integration with the ongoing truck. Everything's been designed to sit on a subframe, therefore much easier over there. When it arrives, put it on, bolt it together, and there's no other integration into the engine as such itself. It's a very simple and easy operation. We have a couple of models which we adopt around the world. Sometimes it's selling direct to the ministry or the government, and they will use it with their own direct workforce. In this case, we are selling to a private company in Chittagong who will be providing the service to the government. As well as building machines, the follow-up is also looking at the materials, what materials we'll be using out there, and we'll also be sending a trainer out there in about 4 weeks' time when they arrive to train up to 6 guys for 2 weeks in Chittagong. It's been a fantastic effort by the team, working in the COVID times, working in a safe COVID environment, getting the materials into the workshop. It's been a first-class effort from our team to actually get the machines to this stage. We're in Newcastle now, just about to be shipped and loaded onto a container, where they'll be heading down to London for a port.